guys, so basically for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my face routine using Burt'S products. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. As of right now, I'm kind of just yeah, so I'm just gonna get in the shower. I'm wearing a shirt from elementary school. Yes, I can still fit my clothes from elementary school. I'm spraying my hair with my mister. Okay, anyways, I'm putting products in my hair. I'm using a scrunchie, a satin scrunchie, because they're good for your hair. Putting this thing on, not really sure how to put it on. It's supposed to keep your hair from getting wet, but I literally just took a shower, so I don't really think I need it, but you know, oh well. Yeah, finally got it on. Anyways, first you wash your hands. You want to always wash your hands before you touch your face. I'm using this I guess like wipes, and I'm trying to open it. All of the products that I use will be linked in the description box below. It literally says open here, and I did not see it. I was opening it the wrong way. I could not open it, and I got so frustrated. It's not even funny, but I finally got it. It smells like what does it smell like? I forgot. Hold up. It smells like alcohol. Like, it stinks. Anyways, I'm trying to look for the instructions. Apparently there aren't any, so I'm just gonna use it, wipe my face with it. I'm pretty sure it's like supposed to help you get all your makeup off, but I don't wear makeup, but you know, who cares? I'm still gonna use it. So after I do that, I'm going to get the next product, which is a deep pore scrub from Burt'S, and I'm just gonna squeeze it out, but you know, it's not even opened yet. That's great. Okay, so now we're opening it. Okay, we're smelling it now, and we're gonna screw this up. Okay, we dropped it. So now you squeeze a little bit on your hand. Yeah, that's what it's called, your hand, and you just want to rub it on your face just like that. Cute, right? So cute. At this point I realized that I probably need some more, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put a little bit more on our face, because that definitely was not enough. Honestly, I really wanted to use my exfoliating brush, but this is my first time using these products, so I wasn't sure if I should or not. This is me still rubbing it on my face, I guess. Taking a while, Amari. Hurry. Anyways, you leave it for 3 minutes, and you just let it sit, and you wash it off your face. Woo woo. Yeah. So oh my gosh, I can't believe I just. Alright, anyways, you just wait. You know, you let it sit on your face. Don't mind me. Then you rinse your face off, and you pat your face dry with a clean towel. And then with the next product is a deep cleansing cream. And I'm just what am I doing? I'm squeezing it on my fingers, and once again I'm smelling it. This one smells pretty good. I'm just gonna rub it on my face. Yeah, that's great. Yep, rub it up, dub, rub it up, dub, rub it up, dub, 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 dub. Anyways, oh, there's some on my neck. Oh my gosh. Oh, check out the curls. Yes, sir. Next, I'm gonna rinse it off of my face. And this is my face rinsed off. Honestly, I really like these products. products. My face felt really soft, really smooth. I literally felt like I was glowing. Like, girl, get you some of these products, please. Then I'm gonna use some moisturizer because you don't want your face to be dry. Do ya? But anyways, it wouldn't really come out, so I had to take the top off. As you can see, now I'm just moisturizing my face. So basically, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked. I hope you guys enjoyed. So please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. That's nice. And if you want to see more hair videos, I will definitely make those for you guys. But anyways, that's all for this video. I am out.